In your family, don't be a door. In your church, don't be a door. In your employment, don't be a door for the enemy to enter. Because the enemy, the Bible says, he is roaring like a lion, checking for someone that he can devour. That is why umzalwane ongenalo ithuba nenkosi uyashesha ukubanjwa abazulazulayo. In the spirit there will be never a vacuum. If you don't have time for consecration, for being set apart, if you don't have time for being with the Lord, the enemy will find time with you because he is roaming around. Uma umzalwane engazi ukuthi ulimi lunamandla, ignorant of that fact that there is power of life and death in her tongue or in his tongue. Ulisebenzisa isinom kanjani ini ulimi. Then isitha masifuna ukungena singena. And what made Eve to be ignorant ingoba kamzwanga uNkulunkulu ekhuluma. uNkulunkulu wayeziwe ubani? uAdam. So inyoka ayibhekanga nje igender. Yabheka ignorant. If you are ignorant of what God has said in his word, you will be a door for your family for the snake to enter.